So I have cleaned this area. It's not 100% rust proof, but epoxy primer will do the job. And I realize I'm gonna remove this whole thing. There's no way that I'm gonna fix all this with this thing right here, and it needs some new metal right here. So there are tap welds there, tap welds right here, and tap welds there, and tap welds on the other side, of course. So yeah, I will figure out how to remove it. I got all the wires out. Now we're gonna cut out this section that I have marked with the marker. I've put some material that's spark proof, so the sparks don't go inside the interior while I'm grinding. So yeah, I have experience with this. So now we are going to clean this ledge right here. We're gonna see how rusty it is, and we're gonna cut out this section right here. Yeah. I have cleaned everything with wire brush as much as I could, and this section right here, this thick metal, I'm gonna just cut it out and weld in a new one. So yep, I still have to do some cleaning right here. Now I have cut out all the rusted metal away. There is one spot. So this spot right here, we're not gonna cut it out right away because this whole car is holding on this section right here, and I am afraid if I'm gonna cut it out, then it start to bend. So I started already, but it's not cut out, so we're just gonna leave it when we weld in this piece right here and this section right here. Now that we have cut out all the rusted metal, we're gonna start with this piece. We're gonna cut out all the rusted metal from here and restore it. So yep. this section right here is not very good looking, but it's welded. And a good penetration from the other side too. So I have welded in the second section. Melted the edge there, but that's okay. Have a little crater too, so yeah. But I have good penetration on the other side, and yeah, now I bent it a little bit so it's the same as the original. And yeah, now we are going to clean this whole part and start painting. So before we are going to prepare the part for painting, I'm gonna test fit it a little bit, and yeah, this is how it's gonna stand, something like this. And yeah, it's pretty, yeah, in the level and almost the same dimensions. I think it's all, yeah, it's pretty much the same. And another thing, I'm gonna weld in one more section right here that hold both of these legs, because they are now not structurally very strong, because if you're gonna lift up, they're just gonna move to the sides. And yeah, I don't know, the original was the same, so probably that's why this thing all caved in, but yeah. So I have finished welding this middle section. That increases the support for these two legs. So yeah, now we're gonna clean it and then paint it. So I tried to clean it off as much as I could. There's one area right here that I will get with the sandpaper. And yep, the inside of the tubing is still kind of rusty, but I cleaned it off as much as I could. So yeah, maybe I will clean it more with sandpaper. So now I'm gonna scuff off this original etching primer that's right here. And yeah, then we're gonna start painting it.
So I tried to clean it off as much as I could. There's one area right here that I will get with the sandpaper. And yep, the inside of the tubing is still kind of rusty, but I cleaned it off as much as I could. So now I'm gonna scuff off this original etching primer that's right here. And yeah, then we're gonna start painting it.
So the part has fully dried. As you can see, it's red, not gray, because I made a little mistake. This is the inner part of the car. It's gonna be constructionally inside of the car after everything's welded, and that's why I use a different kind of primer. That's weldable primer and rust protective too. So yeah, but that one, the gray one, is weldable too, but I usually use it for outside of the car for parts where I can paint them later. So yes,